2018 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.